Hello, today we will guide you through how to integrate Google Forms and Bitrix24. In this walkthrough, we'll connect your Google Forms with Bitrix24 so form responses can flow into your workspace, helping you streamline lead capture or internal requests without manual copying. We'll stick to the essentials and keep things clear and practical. Start by signing into your Bitrix24 workspace in a web browser. From the main navigation, go to Chat and Calls. This section opens the familiar communication hub and makes it easy to access other tools. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. Bitrix24 interfaces can vary by theme and permissions. Look for Chat and Calls on the main menu or the left side panel. Next, look toward the top of the screen for the Market option. The Market is where you add integrations and apps to extend Bitrix24. Depending on your layout, it may appear along the top bar or within a menu, but it's typically labeled clearly as Market. Click Market to open the Bitrix24 marketplace. You'll see a catalog of apps, filters, and a search field. We'll use the search to find the Google Forms integration quickly, which saves time scrolling through categories. In the search field, enter Google Forms. Use the exact phrase to return the most relevant result. After typing, press Enter or select the suggestion that appears. You should see an app designed to connect Google Forms with Bitrix24. The description will typically mention syncing responses or creating records from submissions. Click the Google Forms result to open its detail page. Here you can review a short overview, screenshots, and any notes from the publisher. Confirm that this is the integration you want before proceeding. Before installation, make sure your Bitrix24 plan supports marketplace integrations. Some apps require a paid plan or specific permissions. If you don't have install rights, an administrator may need to complete the process. Verifying this now prevents errors later. When you're ready, click Install. A prompt may appear listing the permissions the app needs. Review the details so you understand what access is being granted, then confirm to continue. The system will handle the installation automatically. If your organization uses admin approvals, you might see a notice indicating that approval is required. In that case, the install will proceed once it's authorized. That's it. You've accessed Chat and Calls, opened the Market, found the Google Forms integration, confirmed your plan eligibility, and installed the app. Your integration is now available and ready for any app-specific configuration shown on screen. Thanks for following along.